Digital governance in India has undergone significant transformation in recent years. The Digital India program, launched in 2015, has been a key driver of these changes, sir. By 2023, 1.3 billion Aadhaar cards have been issued, covering 99% of the population of the country, and reducing these leakages, enhancing facility. Another major initiative, that Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, हमारे यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री जो on a single call, the entire marginalized communities have brought into the banking sector. More than 54.5 crore bank accounts opened by 2023, sir. So, almost 30 lakh crores worth rupees have been directly entered into the bank accounts of these poor people without any leakages, without any middleman role. हमें सुनते थे पहले पिछली सरकार के समय में प्रधानमंत्री खुद बताए, दिल्ली से हम अगर 100 रुपए गरीब के हित के लिए भिजाए तो सिर्फ 15 रुपए गरीब को पहुंचता था, 85 रुपए दलाली के जेब में पहुंचता था. This is the transformation took place under Modi ji's rule, sir. Apart from this, My Government platform, which has also registered 1.5 crores contributing to governance discussion policy making. And similarly, DigiLocker has provided 1.4 billion documents now securely stored on the platform and reducing the need of physical works. Sir, despite these advancements, there are challenges. Challenges remain, particularly including this digital divide in rural areas, where only 39% of the rural households have been access to internet. Moving forward, efforts should focus on improving internet connectivity, expanding digital literacy, and strengthening cyber security to protect citizens' data. Continued investments in these areas will further enhance digital governance and ensure that all citizens, and more particularly people in the rural areas and poor, regardless of location, can benefit from these services provided, sir. Thank you, sir.